Hey, babe, I'm really sorry I'm late. Traffic was insane today.
It's okay, Jack. I was just worried about you. Are you alright?
Yeah, just stressed out from work. But that's no excuse for keeping you waiting.
Don't worry about it. I understand. But next time, just shoot me a text so I know you're okay.
I promise I will. I hate making you worry like that.
I know you do. You're always so considerate. I just wish I didn't jump to conclusions so quickly.
It's alright. I should have been more mindful of the time. I don't want you sitting here thinking the worst.
I appreciate your concern. But let's just forget about it now. How was your day?
Well, it got better the moment I saw you. But work was hectic as usual. How about you?
Same old, same old. But seeing you makes everything better. Let's just enjoy our time together now.
Agreed. I'll make it up to you, I promise. How about a dinner date tomorrow?
That sounds perfect. I'd love that. And no need for apologies, just more of your charming self.
Deal. I'm lucky to have you, you know.
And I'm lucky to have you too, even if you're perpetually running late.
I'll work on it, I promise. But for now, let's just focus on us.